my gosh, I hate myself. Hi guys, you are currently in my wardrobe. My room's a mess. I am gonna start with cleaning my wardrobe because I feel like that will be the easiest thing to start with, and I don't want to do it all at once because I still need to revise for like my exams and stuff. So I think I'll start with the wardrobe and then just do everything else. So I'll show you what I've been doing so far. Everything's just a mess. I pulled out all my summer boxes, so I'm gonna swap them all around now. Hi guys! So oh wait, I forgot the day. It is Thursday today. So this wasn't meant to be a Ramadan vlog. It was meant to go up before Ramadan, but I haven't had time to edit anything, so I think this is the first Ramadan vlog. It is Thursday today. The first fast is tomorrow. I'm so excited. But today it is my friend Amira's birthday, so I'm gonna go downstairs, make her some banana bread, and then drop it off to her house. Like, just put it on the doorstep and knock on the door. But yeah, I wanted to show you. I have cleaned out my wardrobe now because I don't think I showed. Honestly, it still looks messy, but it's just a small space. But yeah, all my winter clothes are down there now, and then I have all my jeans over here, like my body tops here, and then like just my tops and my dresses. Cleaned up my clothing rail as well. I actually did it in color order, which I never do, but I kind of like it. There's way too much stuff on here. It's actually like slanted and it's leaning on my desk, otherwise it would fall over. But yeah. Also, the cupboard is in. I think I mentioned how there wasn't a cupboard here before, but now there is. We just bought it in from Shafa's room and all her stuff is in it, so now she has a bit more space. But yeah, this is Shafa's cupboard, so all her stuff's in there and she has a bit more space in her room. I love it. It makes the room look so much bigger. And just do my outfit of the day. Do you want to be in it? So this is my outfit. I don't know if you guys watched the end of my last haul, but I did a bit of an ASOS haul. So yeah, this is all from ASOS, but I didn't try it on in the last haul, so yeah, this is how it looks on. It's so cute. I don't like this, I don't like the black vest top underneath, but I couldn't find my white one, so just gonna go with it. And I've tucked it in to this skirt. The skirt's so nice. I've rolled it up a bit, but literally it's a maxi, it's basically a maxi skirt, so yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go make the banana bread now. Oh, and I don't know what time it is. I've been awake since half. That is the time, and that is Kinza, because I don't know Amira's address. Listening to Lana Del Rey, and I have the kitchen all to myself, so I'm really enjoying myself. So this is what they look like. Taking some up to Maria. There we go. I've been left in the car. Oh my gosh, guys, look what we just found. Did anyone else have this CD when they were little? Does it have My Mum Is Amazing in it?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. My Mum Is Amazing. Hi guys, Ramadan Mubarak. So it is 3:30 right now. Really excited that it's Ramadan. But yeah, we are gonna go down to eat. Hi, I just woke up. Literally just woke up. It's 11:30. Let me get up. It's 11:30 and yeah, Thursday of Ramadan. Feeling good. It's Friday. Oh my gosh, was I covering the microphone? So my plan for today is literally just to revise for my exam. It's currently Friday and I have one on Monday, so I need to get on top of that. I'm gonna make fruit jar today as well for Iftar. I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm gonna go up now. Hi Hi guys, so don't know if this is the most attractive angle, but we're gonna go with it. So I think I'm just gonna revise from my bed today. My first exam's on Monday. We have 48 hours to complete our exam, which is really good. So the exam is split into two sections, section A and section B. We have 2 essay questions that we have to answer. And they're each 1,000 words long, and basically it's given us 4 like PowerPoints, 4 topics to revise over. I'm holding up 3 fingers. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just trying to get loads of information. I don't think I explained that well at all, but that's basically what I'm doing. It's going okay. I mean, I'm only on the second topic and I have 3 days left to do the other 2, so oh no, I don't have 3 days left. I have 2 days left. Oh well, we'll see how it goes. Guys, I got distracted and I'm watching Suzanne's house tour. This is the most beautiful house I've ever seen. I can't get over it. Like, the lighting is insane. Let me try find a bit. Like, look, they have like little windowsills everywhere. Okay, so it's 4:30 and I'm gonna go down and make the fruit jar now. I know it's a bit early, but I just want to take a break, so I'm gonna go do that now. Wow. Oh, sorry. So copyright. This is what I'm gonna put when we're listening to nasheeds, but I'm gonna put this in our chat today. And bananas, but we put bananas in closer to the time.
Lethal.
That cuts through bones. What?
Really? We should do a TikTok. What if a knife cut you and then like?
No. She wants me to show. What are you making, pakora?
Yeah.
Don't say she wants me to.
Pakora.
What are you making, Badge? Come on.
I'm making aloo pakora.
Aloo pakora, I love that.
I really like this one.
Mara's showing us her favourite nasheed.
Bro, don't look at the camera. Look at what you're cutting because that knife is lethal.
I'm not looking at the camera. Mara, can you pull the volume up? Because I'm going to say you. She's putting on a Yasmin talk.
Yasmin Mujahid does really good podcasts
on Spotify.
You can even find them on YouTube.
Yeah.
It's called Seeking Serenity and she's done about 10 of them. So I'm going to read that.
Worship your active point in the power.
Yeah, no.
So you do. I need pineapple. Honestly, and then we had the. Mazzy made brownies.
Because I'm hungry.
She got hungry. Does that not make you more hungry, baking?
No, I love baking and watching cooking shows.
Really?
While you're fasting, it's like the best thing.
Oh gosh, it smells so nice. Wow, we had banana bread yesterday and now we're gonna eat brownies.
I only had a tiny bit of your banana bread yesterday.
Yeah, same. I didn't make a lot. How about Ramadan calendar? We haven't even opened it yet.
This is the first day.
No, but like, the seal's still on it. Who's gonna get the first one? We only have one, we share it. So cute. Oh, that was us 3, guys. Bugsy the girl.
Oh, really?
You can be that guy, right? That could be Shafa. So these are Shafa's pakora. They look so nice. This is one that's done. And these are Mari's brownies.
Again.
Mama's so annoyed that Mari keeps making brownies. Mari and Shafa, they keep making brownies. Okay, so my current mission is to clean my dressing table. Look how disgusting. Oh my gosh, that's actually embarrassing. No, this drawer is worse though. If I can get it open. There you go. Look at it. I don't even know what's in there. I'll start with this one. Okay, so I have cleaned it now. I just have all my skincare over there and I've lit a candle. I don't know if you remembered, but in the last vlog I said I'm going to buy some skincare. So these are a few of the things I got. I will let you guys know how I get along with them and maybe do like a review video if you guys want that. And I have a face mask on, a healthy face mask. I'll show you guys how I make this tomorrow because I'm going to put one on tomorrow as well. And a hair mask on. I don't know if you can tell. But yeah, I'm just waiting for this to dry so I can go in the shower. Okay guys, so I just got this in the post. I don't know if you guys have a TikTok, but basically people always say like their best Amazon purchases, and people always show this headband holder, and I thought that was perfect for me because even though I cleaned out my drawer yesterday, all my headbands are like stuffed over here and I never knew like how to organize them, so I just ordered this off Amazon, and it's reminding me of like a CD holder like back in the day. Like we used to have bootleg everything, like Transformers and everything, and then we just used to keep them all in like this. Well, not like this anyway, but it's really cool because you can store things at the top. So I think I'm gonna put my clips in there, and you can even put stuff in there as well. So I'm excited to fill this up. Okay, so I've taken all my headbands out of the drawer. Now I'm just gonna fill it up. I'm in my nightgown, by the way. I don't know what to start with. I guess you could adjust it if you wanted to. There you go. How cute does that look? I love it. Looks so cute, you guys. So cute. I love it. And then okay, I'll put the dish on top, but it has my scrunchies in there, and then if you take this off, there's more headbands in there. How cute. I love it. Thanks TikTok.
On TikTok?
Yeah, it's from TikTok. Yeah.
No, my lashes don't even look
TikTok
good
made me do it. What? No. Guys, I just wanted to show you quickly this really good thing on Human Appeal that they do like every year. Basically go into Human Appeal and then just scroll down and click Never Miss Laylatul Qadr, and basically you can split your money equally across 30 nights. You just fill in what you want to donate towards and how much you want to donate. So for example, if I donated £1 a day, that's how much it would add up to, because obviously this isn't the full 30 days now. And then you say you want to give £2 for that, and then it'll show you like how much money is going out on each day. So that's really good. You basically just pay for it once, but it splits it for you. But yeah, just thought I'd show you that because it's really helpful.
Ramadan is here. Right, who wants the first day? Right, Zara first day, Bob second day. And then we said sabr means patience.
That's what it looks like. Say good morning. Hi guys, so today is the day of my exam. Considering how like unprepared I am, I'm kind of excited. It's like 8:15 right now. The exam comes out at 9. Literally I told you guys how it's split in 2 sections. Well, I'm okay for section A, but for section B I literally like read over the slides once. So like obviously we're allowed on notes and stuff, but I didn't make any notes for section B, so we'll just see how it goes. Waiting for the exam to come out. It's coming out at 9. I mentioned that Human Appeal thing yesterday to you guys. I just wanted to say, if you guys have any like charity pages, or if you're collecting money for a charity and you have like a GoFundMe, DM me on Instagram and I'll put them in like the description box for these videos, like these Ramadan videos, because I can't actually put them on my Instagram stories because I can't do the swipe up stories thing, because you actually need like 10k followers to do that. So I can't really help you on Instagram, but I will put the link to your charities in my description box. So like if you guys are watching this and you want to donate but you don't know where to donate, just check the description box in the next video. But I'll put a few in there now as well. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video here. I'll see you in the next Ramadan vlog. Bye.